S is for self-control. Take a deep breath, count to 10 and do your best. H is for hardworking, give it a try. Never give up, reach for the sky. I'm a S.H.A.R.K. Shout, that's who I am, I leave my mark. Self-control, hardworking too. Accountable, respectful, kind, that's true. Hey, I'm Shark! The A is accountable, I own what I do. I say I'm sorry and make it right too. R is respectful to me and to you. I listen, I share, it's the kind thing to do.